You may see the unsafely ejected USB drive, and now you have to restart your device warning on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus. Don't worry, let me show you how to safely eject your USB drive and avoid this problem. So first, when you connect a USB drive, and you will see a USB storage notification in your notification panel. To safely remove it, open the My Files app on your device, then scroll down until you find USB storage. Now tap on the three-dot menu next to it and select Unmount. And this will safely remove your USB drive from your device. But there's also a quicker way to do this. Just pull down the notification panel and find the USB storage notification. Just tap the arrow icon and you will see the unmount option right there. Just tap it and your USB drive will be safely removed. And that's it. That's how you can safely eject a USB drive on your Samsung Galaxy device. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.